Hello guys, so gagawa tayo ng ganito ngayon dito sa 4-axis milling. So ito yung materialis. Saan pa natin dito? I-align lang natin yan. So now the part is in set. It's now ready to go. So this is the operation of the Dusan. By the way, this is the machine. Dusan 4-axis wheel. 4-axis wheel. So A-axis and 1.5x bed. So this is the control monitor. So same as Fanuc machines. So now I'm gonna run. I will run this 4-axis wheel. So for the operation, my position is I have four axis here. A-axis, Z, Y, and X. So I'm gonna off the column. So that should be how it looks inside. So I'm gonna run. So this is how we look, how I monitor all the axes. So all the value is in there. So kailangan ko siyang ma-determine kung tama ba yung tumatakbo o yung mga value or number na nandyan, ano ba yung ibig sabihin yan, kung tama yung value. So dito ko na-distinguish pati yung program. I also have one here This is what we call insulate. Go back. So all these two machine is brand new. So since ako nakapangbahay lang ngayon, lang bahay, pero ang may-ari is have a trust to run this machine by myself. So this is my programming. So I usually use the Gibbscom software. Nabulol na ako. So this is my programming. So this is how I program to run that machine and that machine. So I have also here the manual lights. Yeah. Okay. So this is the output. It's not easy. And I have a product here. I've already finished yesterday. Yeah. Fucking beautiful. And I have also here, I have a lot of parts here to do. Okay. By my own. Grabe. So, tatakbo yan. Trabaho yun. So this is my whole area. There is a bending machine, welding machine, plasma cutting, and I have also here the insulate Morisiki brand. And most especially, pwede rin makagawa ng 3D modeling at the same time 3D printing. So maliit lang to na shop pero kompleto. Wala na akong nahanap dito. Dito lahat software, tools, machines. I have my own overhead crane, forklift, anything. So just like a big company, but dito parang shop lang. It's running. This is my own control. Now have it for change. This program will take 30 minutes to finish one part. Plain parts, cylindrical.